Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanika and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my monsoon skincare routine. Monsoon skincare is important because rains cause humidity and moisture which result in skin problems and allergies. So the first and most important step is cleansing. I'm going to start by using the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash to cleanse my skin. This is important because during the monsoon, there's a lot of humidity and moisture and such kind of weather harbors a lot of bacteria. So it is essential you cleanse your skin twice a day. This cleanser contains mild natural scrub which helps me exfoliate my skin and I absolutely love it. The next step is toning. I'm going to be using the Beautyco Aloe Vera Skin Toner. Toners are extremely beneficial for cleansing your skin and they also restore your skin's natural pH balance. The final step is my favorite, it's masking. I'm going to be using the Beautyco's Glow Peel Off Mask. This is their activated charcoal glitter mask. This mask is super fun and easy to use. I absolutely love it as it refreshes my skin instantly. I'm gonna apply this mask all over my face. I'm gonna leave this mask on for 10 minutes and then peel it off. Now I'm just gonna wash off the excess with water and we are done with my monsoon skincare routine. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you guys would like to watch on my channel. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and I will see you in the next one.